I think what we need is some Dave, some Eddie, and we need it now. If you've been watching this in sequence, I talked about going to sell the CX Bobber and the carbs were leaking. I put a kit in it, fixed the seals. Now it's running out on one side. So I just came out to kind of address that, take the bowls off, check out the jets, and I just realized that the electrical is not working. Here goes nothing. I can neither confirm nor deny that I had the jets swapped in the wrong positions. But now, to be sure, to know if that was a problem, I need to let's see, mess with the bowl settings. I think I got the jets right. Let's just see. Old manual choke. So I'm thinking maybe it's the mixture screw on this side that's not letting it idle. So I adjusted that to as a beginning point, 2.5 turns out, make sure it was clean. So we're going to see what happens. Alright, I've tweaked the float about 20 times. Did a rough sync on the carbs. Everything looks to be good. It idled well for a little bit. So we're going to take it out on the road, see how it feels. So obviously I've got to sync the carbs or tune them a little bit more. I've got to choke it to death to keep it running. So there's a mixture issue. But I think I can get that squared away and maybe we'll get this thing out of here. And cut.